Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey Alex, how's it going? You look kind of focused.
Oh, hey Emma. I'm just trying to practice my English speaking skills. Thought I'd squeeze in some practice before the weekend.
That's awesome. What are you working on?
Mostly trying to improve my fluency, you know? I want to speak more naturally without overthinking every word.
I get that. It's like you're speaking in your head first, right? I've been there.
Exactly. And sometimes, I freeze up when I can't find the right word.
Laughs, yeah, it happens to everyone. I used to do that all the time. Wanna know a trick that helped me?
Sure, hit me with it.
Shadowing. Have you heard of it?
Sounds familiar, but I don't know what it is.
It's when you listen to someone speaking in English, like in a video or podcast, and you try to copy what they're saying at the same time. It helps with pronunciation and rhythm.
Oh, I've never tried that. Sounds like it could be fun.
It is. Plus, it gets you used to speaking without thinking too much. You just go with the flow.
I like that. Maybe I'll try shadowing my favorite TV show characters.
That's a great idea. And don't worry if you don't get every word perfect at first. It's all about the practice.
Got it. And how about you, Emma? What do you do to keep your English sharp?
I talk to myself. A lot. Laughs, I know it sounds silly, but it helps me think in English and not just translate from my native language.
That doesn't sound silly at all. I might start doing that too. Though, people might think I'm talking to an imaginary friend.
Laughs, yeah, you might get a few weird looks, but who cares? It works.
True. Alright, I'm gonna give these a try. Thanks for the tips, Emma.
Anytime, Alex. We'll check in later and see how it's going, okay?
You got it. Let's do this.
So, Alex, how's the shadowing going? Did you try it out?
I did. I picked a scene from one of my favorite shows and just went for it. I think I nailed the accent too. Laughs.
That's awesome. Which show did you pick?
Friends. You know, the one where Joey's like, "How you doing?" I've been practicing that line all day. Laughs.
Laughs, classic Joey. That's a good choice. The dialogue in that show is pretty natural, so it's perfect for shadowing.
Yeah, and it's fun too. I noticed I'm getting more comfortable speaking without hesitating.
That's exactly the point. It's all about building confidence. The more you do it, the easier it gets.
For sure. I even tried talking to myself like you suggested. I felt a bit weird at first, but it's kind of fun once you get into it.
See, I told you it works. Sometimes, I just narrate what I'm doing. Like, now I'm making a sandwich, or I've gotta finish this report. It keeps your brain in English mode.
Yeah, I tried that too. I was cooking breakfast and talking through every step. Crack the egg, stir it up. I felt like I was hosting a cooking show. Laughs.
Laughs, that's the spirit. It's all about making it part of your daily routine.
Speaking of daily routine, do you think it's helpful to have a set time every day for practice?
Definitely. Even just 10 or 15 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Consistency is key, right?
Yeah, that makes sense. I'll try to stick to a schedule. Mornings work best for me, I think.
Mornings are great. Your brain's fresh, and it sets a positive tone for the rest of the day.
Plus, if I get it done early, I won't have an excuse to skip it later.
Exactly. And you'll feel good knowing you've already put in the work.
All right, mornings it is then. I'll keep going with the shadowing and the talking to myself. Let's see how much I improve.
I can't wait to hear about it. Just remember, it's a process. Don't get discouraged if it takes time.
Thanks, Emma. I'm feeling more motivated already.